Hey everyone, it's Ivy. Welcome back to Heels and Shoes by Ivy. I'm so happy to have you here again. Today I'm sharing a very special pair that I absolutely adore. Ooh. These heels are a mix of soft gold with delicate pink accents, and the combination is just so charming. They give off a really sweet and feminine vibe, but they still look elegant and polished. The straps hug the feet in a way that feels secure but still delicate, like they were made just for me. I've always loved heels that bring out both comfort and beauty, and this pair really finds that balance. They don't just look pretty, they feel good too. There's something about the color, the shape, the way they reflect light. It all comes together. I can totally imagine wearing them on a summer evening, or even just to lift my mood on a regular day. They add a touch of sparkle and confidence, and honestly, I think every woman deserves to feel like that sometimes. Just slipping into them makes me feel taller, lighter, a little more playful. I've tried a lot of styles. This one has something extra, a little personality, a little charm, a little joy. I'm really excited to be wearing them today, and I hope you're enjoying this look as much as I am. There's something so graceful about this pair. The champagne shine gives off a soft glow, and the pink straps add just the right amount of charm. I love how the colors play together. They're delicate, but they still make a statement. The platform helps balance the height, so even though the heel is tall, I feel steady and confident. And the straps? They hold everything in place without being tight or uncomfortable. This pair feels feminine, elegant, and just a little bit fun. The sheer tan pantyhose really complement the tones. They soften the look even more, adding a smooth finish that I love. It's a combination that feels light, pretty, and a little dreamy. I don't wear heels like this every day, but when I do, I want them to feel special. And these definitely do. They're the kind of heels that remind me why I love dressing up in the first place. Wearing these heels has been such a pleasure. They're stylish without being too bold, playful without being childish. And most of all, they make me feel confident, graceful, and simply myself. Sometimes it's not about where you're going, it's about how you feel in what you wear. And this pair makes me feel light, elegant, and a little radiant. That's the kind of feeling I love sharing here. If you enjoyed this little moment with me, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to Heels and Shoes by Ivy. There are so many more styles I can't wait to show you, each one with its own personality. And if you have a favorite type of heel, sandal, or even color combo, I'd love to hear about it in the comments. Thank you so much for being here. It really means a lot.